Now we're installing the UTV Roll Cage Chase LED Tail Light Kit. Start by mounting the bracket onto the rear roll cage. Insert the 2 bolts through the bracket, then position the LED tail light base over the bolts. Install the 2 nuts and tighten them securely to lock the light in place. Next, route the LED tail light wiring along the roll cage toward the side of the vehicle. Use the included zip ties to secure the wiring neatly to the frame. Then feed the harness through the opening and route it to the factory taillight wiring. Locate the factory taillight harness and grab the LED taillight wiring harness. There are 6 wires in total. The black wire is ground, the red wire is for the running lights, the white wire is for the brake light, the blue wire is for the reverse light, and the yellow and green wires are for the turn signals. Since this vehicle does not have reverse lights or turn signal functions, the blue, yellow, and green wires will not be used. Connect the black wire from the LED taillight harness to the factory black wire. Connect the red wire to the factory purple and white wire, and connect the white wire to the factory orange and white wire. Finally, secure and protect all of the wiring. Verify that the light functions correctly and tidy up the installation. That's it. Your UTV Roll Cage Chase LED Tail Light Kit is fully installed and ready to go.